In this video I'm going to show you how to create Snapchat account. So first of all open Snapchat. Here is two option, login and sign up. If you create new account, so click on sign up. Then enter the name. And continue. Enter the birthday. Continue. Create username. If you want a new own, create username. So click on change my username. Continue. Create password. Your password should be at least 8 characters. Then check mark this, and continue. Enter any email. If you want to create account on phone number, you can click on here. Finish. After that here add friends. If you skip this page, so I skip this page. Again click on skip. Create your Bitmoji. Use your camera to instantly create an avatar that looks like you. Continue. Account successfully created. Subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to receive latest updates.